Hey, what's up guys? I'm going to be holding the camera today, so it's going to be a little different. The question I'm going to be answering is, where do vegans get their protein from? Now this is probably the oldest question ever asked to a vegan, so let's discover, where do I get my protein from? So, to start off this topic, I want to ask a question. For everyone who is a non-vegan or non-vegetarian or non-plant-based eater, where do animals that you guys consume get their protein from? Now, take a second. Don't freak out. The answer is quite obvious. It is from plants. So what vegans do, instead of eating the animals, we eat what they eat. So we go directly to the source of where animals get their protein from. It is a common belief that animal protein is the best source of protein for humans to consume. But that is very wrong. The best source of protein actually comes from human meat. If you don't believe me, look it up yourself. It has the concentration necessary that we need of amino acids and vitamins and nutrients, all that good stuff. But obviously it's against the law to eat another human being, right? So that's a no-no. And no, I am not supporting cannibalism. Another common fact that we believe in the bodybuilding world is that you need at least 1 gram of protein per pound of body weight. But we can see on a plant-based diet that that's not exactly necessary. Having a diet that has 1 pound of protein at least per pound of body weight shows that we actually consume a very large amount of protein. On a vegan diet, we eat about 10% of our calories coming from protein. So that's a pretty small amount of protein, but believe it or not, it actually does work to help you build muscle, because 1 pound of body weight is equal to 1 gram of protein. Now that's a little too high. Our body actually doesn't work well with protein. Protein is partially made up of nitrogen. We don't work well with nitrogen. Our body doesn't have a nitrogen response to high intakes of nitrogen. We cannot regulate it. What our body does with sugar, it releases insulin from the pancreas, and that lowers your blood sugar levels, right? It helps to regulate your blood sugar levels. Any diabetic knows this. But our body doesn't have a response to high intake of protein because of the nitrogen. Nitrogen is very toxic to our bodies, but we don't have a regulator for that. So actually eating a large amount of protein can actually make our body kind of sick. What people don't know is that our body actually recycles protein bodies. When we don't use it directly, it'll just keep it until we need it. So that's why living on a diet of approximately 60% of our calories from carbs, 10% of our calories from protein, and maximum 30% of our calories from fat, we can actually keep our body a little healthier than if we were to intoxicate it with a large amount of nitrogen on a daily basis. So like in my last video, I said that variety is key, and that is true. It's so important to eat a variety of food. You don't want to just, even if you're eating a non-vegan or vegetarian diet, you don't want to eat the same thing every single day. Your body will get too sick of it. Having too much protein from especially just one source is not good. You need to get a variety of food. Plants don't all have the same ratios of amino acid, of essential amino acids, but combining them will actually help you get all the essential amino acids you need. So that's about it, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you guys have any questions, leave it in the comment section down below. If you liked the video, then give me a thumbs up. And also, if you guys have a favorite vegan recipe, I would love to know about it. So please let me know in the comment section below. Give me your favorite recipe, and I will post in the future my favorite vegan recipe. So see you guys in the next video. Peace.